How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be making a hickey video. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So what I do with these videos, again, this is a pretty common topic. I go over this topic every 4 or 5 days, is I just read a question from a subscriber, then I'll answer that question, I'll answer that subscriber's question. For all my fitness people out there, because this is a fitness channel, like 95% fitness channel, I just make a couple of videos that aren't really fitness related sometimes. Anyways, for those guys that are watching this, I do apologize. I know it's not fitness related, but keep in mind I do upload 3 vids per day, so you're still getting a lot of fitness vids every day. So let's get started. This subscriber wants to know, can you apply peanut butter to your hickey? Now, this is pretty interesting. I've never tried peanut butter, but I've heard from people. I do some research too into hickeys. I just don't make videos on them. I've tried most stuff out, like most home remedies out before for a hickey. I know what it's like. Hickeys suck to get, and again, I have tried almost everything out there, so except peanut butter. I've honestly never tried peanut butter before. So what I think and what I say in my videos is anything applied topically. Topically just means on the skin, on the outside. So just applying anything like gel, Vaseline, stuff like that. That's applying it topically. Here's the thing. I don't know if it works, if it doesn't work. The thing is, let's just say that it did work. If it did work, the best amount of time that it would take for it to get rid of is probably 2 to 3 hours. Like, that is the best time. And that's assuming that it works in 2 to 3 hours. My guess is that it's probably pretty useless. And even after a day or two of applying it, I don't think that it's going to get rid of it. That's just my honest opinion. I don't think it will work. Here's what you can do if you're in a bind, and I say this in all my hickey videos because this is the way to get rid of a hickey, the best way. That's to get a coin or a spoon, rub the area for 2 minutes. That will work for 90% of the people. For the 10% that it doesn't work, use or go for 5 minutes straight. What's going to happen? Your neck's going to be super, super red. Allow for 10 minutes for the redness to go away. Your hickey will also be gone with it. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thanks.